if people could start to understand the amount of resource that they are delivering to the corporate world, then they would be a lot more careful and protective over that control over their data, seeing where they've delivered data to various websites, apps, wherever. Then that starts to nurture a level of responsibility that starts to build value for your information.
So you kind of saying almost like there's going to be almost like a digital wallet, and when you sign into Facebook, you click a box saying, can I have access to your data wallet, please?
Yeah, absolutely. Appreciating how that gets monetized is of huge value. And that's where individual participation will make much more sense. But to convey that financial value is difficult. When you're a patient, your data is very valuable. It's building all sorts of technologies that you are contributing to that will make a hell of a lot of money, that, you know, does increase the inequalities in health. So your involvement matters. It's very much about control of where your biological information is, because we know that pharma are desperate to reduce their drug discovery costs and expenses. They know the problems that they come across are very much about access to patients, so need the willingness to participate. And I do see that, you know, I communicate with a lot of CEOs, and I do see them changing their attitude. And the reason is because it's beyond their control. Okay. They do want to contribute, and they do want to work with people, and they do want to change their image. But it's a two-way relationship, and they know that they need to change the way that they discover drugs, and they know that getting participation from the consumer matters a lot. They're saying, okay, well, how do we engage with that? How do we bring along the mass consumer? How do we change our profile? How do we participate or get participation, or, you know, have this kind of dual dialogue? And there is a way that we now, thankfully, appreciate that you can still progress, you can still make money, you can still get your Nobel Prize or whatever, you can still be, you know, in the limelight, but you will move forward if you work collaboratively. And so what we're working on from the Excite Ventures side of things is having an infrastructure that facilitates that, and actually has a, you know, has a economical, or has a business model that works.